Oh shit.
What I play music?
Nowhere. You good?
Yeah. Cause the mic got me.
It ain't even on.
What you talking about?
We're recording there. We're on YouTube.
That's it. Does the mic got me? Do these boys got me? No, I promise you they want to ball or block me. Trying to cut me off, trying to step on toes. I got 10 of those. You ain't gon' have not a damn thing to run with. You fucking with me, man. You fucking with the worst nigga. Man, hold up. In the dirt, nigga. Man, what I hold up. Let me get the mic one more time. Let them know the G, I'm just for the rhyme. Coming down, got me a fucking with dime. Fuck that, that's the easy fucking rhyme. So I switch up and get it, I get it and spit it. You talk down, don't know shit, then don't say a damn thing. You turn up, I told you. Nigga, hold up, show you. Yes, my gun, I have to just pull it, then use it on you. Cause I pulled it, no fool, I don't play like that. Get some act right now, you better do it, nigga. When it's too fast, I screw it, nigga, slow it down. 4-5, that's my side of town. And I'm showing love, G, where you at? MK, math motherfucking class on me. I see Nez, I see Timbo, yeah, the GA. Capitan, free him. You don't know me, nigga, I be getting there. Bitch, I'm never lonely. Got me my bad spouse. Hold up, nigga. You don't know me, I'm Lil, but I get it. What the fuck, man, get rhymes, I'm just gon' spit it. I spit it, and gets the money, I get it, then I spend it. And when I spend it, going broke don't mean a damn thing to me. I'm coming right back up. You ain't heard about my brother, nigga, that's his name, nigga, come up. That's that Lil Willow, nigga, that's that Big Willow. That's that nigga Trill Will, 4-5, much love, my bro. And for him, yes, I ride, I throw up the S, representing Southside Mario. My bro from another fucking motherfucker with him, you gon' see about 6 fucking brothers running up, all strapped up, not giving a fuck about going to jail, bitch. Pockets on swell, bitch. Pockets on swell. I'm never stopping, never stopping. I'm about it rocking Southside groove. Yeah, bitch, you better move, get it out my way. You don't wanna fuck me, feel a kind of way, some type of way, bitch, some type of way, ho. And I don't worry about you, nigga. Fuck you and your hoe, Fonzo, you a hoe. I done put them hands on you, I done laced you up, nigga. Now you know what's up. 45th, that's my block. Shadow Ben, that my street. Talk down, and I promise you I eat you up, meat, bitch. Yeah, don't talk down, nigga. And just off the dome, nigga. Pen and pad, never, nigga. Yeah, 45th, nigga, 1987, ATX, MK all day, baby, math class, nigga, G-Baby, rapping, nigga, Margo, nigga, on the motherfucking beat, you know what I'm talking about, baby, yeah, roll sweet. I want to hear that shit. That shit was the rawest, illest YouTube shit, gotta spit it, that was my beat, that's my beat on every